Alright, so I had a pretty ambitious project that I wanted to undertake, and that would be making a short film. Short films, for those of you that don't know, are films that don't quite make the runtime cut for feature films, so they land somewhere in the sub 40-minute realm. It has the same story structure, elements, and emotion that you could expect from a feature film, but just in a more condensed time frame. So I've decided to make one and to share the movie making journey with the world, or with you. It's going to entail a lot of things that I do not yet know how to do, but that's all going to be part of this journey. So if you don't want to miss any steps along the way, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that you can be alerted when a new video goes live. Sound good? Now, before I get started, there's going to be a few things that I need to figure out. First things first, I'm gonna need a script. I went ahead and banged out a quick first draft of the script so that I could cut out a lot of the boring and monotonous parts of this process. But to break it down really quick for you, this is how it went. First, I took a little time to make an 8-part story structure with minimal details, just enough to get the bones of the story in place. I've decided to go with a science fiction genre, but just in the aspect of the environment of the movie, which is going to take place in space and on a spaceship. I'm going to be looking at a total of 2 speaking characters with the possibility of 2 other visual character elements to just create story arcs and to complete timelines. Then, once the story structure was complete, I headed over to the old computer machine and banged out a quick first draft using CeltX, a free script writing software, which I will leave a link to in the description below. Now, when I say quick first draft, I really mean it. It took me about 2 days and it resulted in 6 pages. Doesn't really seem like a lot, but you have to think that I need to budget time for rewrites and corrections, as well as even storyboarding. So the script is not yet complete, just the first draft of it is. However, now that the first step is done-ish, I can start looking ahead to the next phases. So next on the plate, I need to figure out what I already have and what I'm going to need in order to get this movie done. Taking inventory, I already have a camera, editing software, and super basic lighting. I have a couple of these things. They plug into the wall outlet. They're very awesome. I really like them a lot. They're really good for like on-the-spot photography, but I don't know if they're going to cut it for filmmaking. So now that I know what I do have, I need to figure out what I need. First and foremost, I'm going to need better lighting. Gonna need locations. I'm gonna need a set. Gonna need actors. I'm gonna need wardrobe, props and decorations of differing varieties. I could use a color correction card, 2 to 3 C-stands, and some sound equipment like a sound recorder or shotgun microphones. Now, some of that stuff will be equipment that I can use in future projects, so I'm not going to count that into the final cost figure. And as always, if problems arise, which I'm certain they will, I can always budget them ahead of time using discretionary funds. But let me be clear, my goal here is to make a low-budget film worthy of an audience. So I'm going to need to get creative when it comes to the monies. So there it is. That's the plan. I'm going to give myself 1 solid year to plan, film, produce, and upload this movie onto YouTube for you to watch. It's currently July 31st, 2019, so I want to have this done in a completed product by the 31st day of July 2020. It's ambitious, it's daring, it's honestly a little scary, but it's truly exciting trying to undertake this. I really, really hope you're along for the ride with me. So thank you so much for watching this launch video, and again, if you are looking forward to this process with me, then please subscribe, turn notifications on so you can be alerted when a new video goes live. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you out there.